Hey everyone, have you ever heard a word that sounds the same forward and backward? Yes, it's a palindrome. So let's find out what that means in the easiest way possible. So palindrome is a word, number or sentence that reads the same backwards and forward. That's it. So let me show you a few fun ones. So the word mom, forward it's mom and backwards still mom. And it works with numbers too. So let's have a look at one. One, two, three, four. It's not a palindrome. So palindrome can be full sentences too, like was it a car or a cat I saw. So it works on sentences as well. So now you know palindromes are just words or numbers that are same backward and forwards. Simple, fun, and a little mind bending. So now just we will have a look at code to run this. So for this, we will be first defining a function that is define is palindrome. Then we will take text. So clean text is equal to text dot replace dot lower. So here we are using this line of code to remove spaces and convert it to the lower case, so that we do justice to any sentence or any word. So we will then return clean text is equal to clean text. Then this is the code to reverse the string. Then it will check if the our string and the reverse string is same or not. Then this is the line that we have used to take the input from the user. And then we will run our code with the help of if else loop. So in this, first of all, we call is palindrome function that will check whether our sentence is a palindrome or not. And if it is, then it will print yes, it's a palindrome, or else it will print no, it's not a palindrome. So there are just 3 or 4 steps with the help of which you can detect whether your sentence or a word is a palindrome or not. So please comment below with your favorite palindrome or try making one yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video with someone who says wow a lot.